Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe if you like this kind of content. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing, and I have a piece of friend mail. So, I just got done working, got my shower, my hair's still wet. It's been a long day. So I ate, got my bath, not shower, and went down and got my mail. So I'm not gonna pull the envelope all the way up because there's addresses on it, and I think I don't want to expose anyone's address. So the friend mail is from a creator, a YouTube creator called Just Jessica, and she gets a subscription service. It's called Naughty Knickers, and they send you underwear every month, I believe. So I was watching her video, and she was showing the Naughty Knickers that she got for the month, and one of the pairs of underwear didn't fit her, so she told me she would send it after her vacation, and here they are. And yes, Jessica, thank you very much. They will fit me. Look how cute this is in the back. And they have a cotton crotch. They're cute, and my favorite color, orange. And I did mention on the video that the orange ones were cute, and she contacted me and said she would send them, and here they are. So thank you, Jessica. I appreciate it. And we got, oh, candy, which I love. Green apple Jolly Ranchers. Those are my favorite. And little stickers. Look how cute. Right up my alley, too. So we got this one. Yes, Jack Skellington. We love Jack. Look how cute. Sally. Oh, these are cute. They're stickers, right? Yes. How cute is that? So that's my friend Mel. Thank you very much, Jessica. I'll leave her channel listed down below. Go check out her channel. She does makeup and all that, but check out that Naughty Knickers video. It's really fun. And you know, you get underwear every month. I believe it's every month. You'll have to go to her channel, look it up, and see. So my second thing that came in the mail is my Mindful Souls box for the month. I've already ripped the address off, and let's see, what can I get? My little scissors here. My cat's sneaking by. She gets so nosy when I get boxes, because we get stuff from Chewy. So now she thinks every box that comes to the house is for her. Plus, it's weird, she loves crystals. So, alright. And just like that, you've opened a whole new world of possibilities. And that's what it looks like. Alright, I'm going to take this out first, because this describes everything that you get, so I don't want to look at that first. So the card for this month is Affirmation for Acceptance. I love and accept myself the way I am, and I love and accept others the same way. And that's pretty. I always stick them over here. And the sticker is Grow from the Inside. Cool. So I will stick that over there. Alright. So, first baggie. Okay. It is a necklace. Looks like a chakra necklace. Cute. I will read. It's a chakra necklace. Balance in our heart and souls lead to balance in all aspects of our lives. Gleaming stones of amethyst, lapis lazuli, blue lace agate, rose quartz, citrine, carnelian, and red jasper are aligned in a vertical pendant to mirror our 7 chakras, or sacred energy centers, for a necklace to inspire harmony in mind, body, and spirit. Balance in our hearts and souls leads to steadiness in all aspects of our lives. It's very pretty. Okay, I'm going to put it back in the... These are so cute. Alright, next drawstring bag. Ooh. Okay, so purple agate slice, and it's a coaster for your drink. That is so cool. It's believed that agate alters the state of mind and fosters feelings of acceptance, balance, and harmony, peace, and appreciation. Agate generates and provides one with great wealth, luck, abundance, courage, love, protection, and security. Use this agate coaster while having a coffee break, friendly gathering, or just simply want to decorate your home. I will do that. I will set my water on it right now. Alright, next bag, which is chunky. Ooh. Okay. That is raw red jasper, known as the talisman of magician, and red like fire. Raw red jasper has the power to ignite your inner flame and revive your passionate side. Sometimes the only thing standing between you and your dreams is motivation and courage. This is the stone to turn to when you need that extra bravery and to go after what you want. In an instant, it can fill you with lively energy and the desire to act. It's really cool. Let me turn my phone off. Because per usual, no one texts me until I put that camera on. So there it is, raw red jasper. Has a nice energy on it. Let's set that there. Alright, next little... It has all these little foofies in it. I gotta keep track of them because my cat will eat them. Alright, so next bag. Ooh, a little bracelet. This looks like. It's pretty. Golden obsidian bracelet. Obsidian energy. Man, I can't talk. Obsidian's energy creates a protective shield that deflects negativity and repels attempts of others to assert power over us. I should bathe in it. Obsidian stones help us to uncover our unique skills and hidden talents while releasing blockages to our spiritual and personal growth. Having one special golden bead on the bracelet will help you achieve financial success and strengthen wealth's energy. So, there's a little gold bead. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, got a green bag. I never got a green bag before. There's the bag for that other one. I see something else in there too. It's not. Okay. There we go. Ooh, selenite. Right? Yes. Selenite Cleansing Wand. Selenite Wand is a powerful cleansing and healing tool that has the ability to clear, protect, and shield your energy body. It is one of the few minerals that has the healing ability to quickly unblock stagnant and negative energy, removing all energy blockages to create a fluid flow of energy throughout the body. Selenite crystals shield you from the outside influences, since one of the selenite healing properties is to evoke protection from the angelic realm. Place one on each of your windowsills to protect your space and raise its vibration. Selenite crystals also greatly magnify the energy of anything that is placed upon them. Place your tumbled stones on top of them to clear their energy. And that's what it looks like. I have a huge selenite candle holder and I just absolutely love it. Alright, now there's... Okay. I don't know what that is. Obsidian Stone Essential Oil Roller. Obsidian is a truth-enhancing volcanic glass, a strongly protective stone. It forms a shield against negativity, blocks psychic attack, and absorbs negative energies from the environment. It stimulates growth on all levels, urging exploration of the unknown and opening new horizons. Simply open the top cap of the roller, fill it with your favorite essential oil, and let Obsidian infuse it with even more goodness. Oh, so it's like a perfume roller. That's cool. I do happen to have some, a blend of essential oils that I could use as like a perfume. That's cool. Look at that. I don't know what that is. Looks like quartz. And then the obsidian in there. Very nice. So that's the box. This is the pamphlet that comes with it that explains everything. And it always has a nice, little saying. I really enjoyed this box this month. This was nice. And everything. I really like the bracelet. I love their bracelets. And what did I do with the... Oh, there it is. I'll take the necklace out. I'll leave the necklace in there for now, but... Alright. So that was my Mindful Souls unboxing. Excellent box this month. And my friend mail. My new underwears. Which I will go put on since I just got out of the bathtub. And yes, they'll fit. Thank you, Jessica, once again. I really appreciate you reaching out to me and sending them. So, with that said, that is all for now. I will have a few unboxings coming up this week, maybe. I'm waiting on a few things to get here, and I'll do it. I'll do an unboxing. And that is it for today. So if you like this kind of content, please like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, and it helps my channel out. Please hit the notification bell if you enjoy videos like this. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.